That's what you got.
9 times?
9 times.
So what's the part called?
It's called the chamber sensor.
Chamber?
Chamber?
Sensor.
Sensor, yeah.
No parking around here, huh?
No. No, there wasn't much parking. Too many people own cars that they're not driving, you know. That's the way it goes.
There's like 200 units across the street next to 7-Eleven. And when there's no parking over there, they come over here and invade the whole block.
Oh, beautiful. What else can they do though, huh?
Well, if other people in the apartments would take their cars out of here, the street would be empty.
Yeah. I see that a lot. You know, streets that are just full of cars. Cars that never move.
Yeah.
I usually go to the alley, you know, usually the alley.
Yeah. There's an alleyway right here. There's an alley right there.
I don't know, because it's, you know, half the distance anyway. So. That's like my go-to move is just head to the alley.
I know. I could have parked in the alley though.
What's that? You couldn't park in the alley?
I could have. Is that the part?
What's this part?
Oh, is that part? Yeah. What is that, like a burner? The round thing? So it gets caught on fire?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the burner assembly
The burner, yeah.
that we're looking at.
Yeah. So did you fix that one over at Kearney Mesa?
I did. I did.
You had everything taken apart, huh?
You did. Yeah, everything taken apart. Yeah, it was a bummer. So it turned out to be the circuit board.
Did you have one?
I did.
You did?
Yeah, I had a circuit board.
So now it works?
It was working when I left, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it was working when I left.
That's good.
Yeah, so
Big time.
you just never know what somebody does to it when they're working on it.
I know, huh? Why do you think I told you, hey, why don't you come over here and fix it?
Yeah, for sure. For sure, man, for sure.
That's exactly why I told you to come over here.
Yeah.
I could have said, oh, no, I'll go fix it myself. And then I would have called you, hey, I took it all apart. Now.
Yeah, it's broken. Yeah.
So now I created a headache.
Yeah. Yeah, it happens. I can't blame people for trying, you know.
Yeah. Sounds funny, but it's not, you know what I mean?
No. So this was a chamber sensor was bad. Pretty standard problem. I see a lot of those. Which reminds me, I forgot to put this little nut on the other guy's water heater. That's okay. Kind of overkill, but I remembered it on this one. chamber sensor. So the chamber sensor senses the heat in the combustion chamber, and if it gets out of control, gets too hot in there, and there's too much, essentially too much flame or fire, it can shut down the valve and kind of stop a potentially hazardous situation. Kind of rare. It's similar to like those over limit switches, or the door switches, or the TCOs, I think they're called, or ECOs, I've seen them called that. It's a very similar concept. Okay. Alright, moment of truth.